Thank you. We are now at the consent agenda. Dr. Contreras?
Again, good evening, Madam Chair and members of the board. This evening's consent agenda includes the contractual agreement with Central Builders of Mebane, Penn Griffin School for the Arts. That concludes this evening's consent agenda for your consideration.
All right, is there a second? Second. Anita?
I have a question. What is the source of funding?
Yes. Is Ms. Henry? You know.
So the source is capital funds. There were two sources. There were grant funds and capital. This is the local dollars that we had to attribute to the project in order to achieve the needs of the grant.
I understand that. What capital fund?
I'm not sure, so I would need Angie to come back in for that piece.
Don't leave, Angie.
The funding for Penn Griffin project.
Sure, that is from our annual maintenance capital money.
What did we do with the money we got for Pisgah Church property?
That hasn't been budgeted for any specific purpose at this point.
We have a shortage of maintenance dollars. We all know that. We talk about it all the time. Would it not be a better move to take these funds from that $2 million rather than the ongoing maintenance dollars?
So if we find that we have an emergency, we certainly can do that. If we use these maintenance dollars for this purpose and then find that we need whether we have an emergency, that we need to use the $2.2 million, we can certainly appropriate that for that purpose at the time.